PM Modi is on a visit to Tamil Nadu and Kerala today. He inaugurated and flagged off the train on the extended Phase 1 Chennai Metro Rail project. PM Modi laid the foundation stone for the extension, renovation and modernization of Grand Anicut Canal System and the Discovery Campus of IIT Madras. PM Modi also handed over Arjun main battle tank Mk1A to Indian Army Chief General M. Naravane during his visit to Chennai. Disha Ravi, one of the founders of Fridays for Future, was on Sunday arrested by Delhi police in connection with the Swedish environmental activist Greta Thunberg's toolkit tweet on ongoing farmers' protest in India. According to the officials, Ravi is 21 years old and lives in Bengaluru. The cybercrime cell of Delhi police registered an FIR on the charges of sedition, criminal conspiracy and promoting hatred against the creators of the toolkit. National Conference Vice President Omar Abdullah on Sunday claimed that he and his family, including his father and member of the parliament, Farooq Abdullah, have been put under house arrest by the authorities. The former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister also posted photographs showing police vehicles outside the gates of his residence in the Gupkar area of the city here. Omar also alleged that his house staff was not being let inside. 14 people, including a child on a pilgrimage tour, were killed as a bus and truck collided on the national highway in Andhra Pradesh's Kurnool early morning. Only 4 children survived the accident, but 2 of them are in serious condition. The minibus, which was carrying 18 people, hit the road divider at a high speed, fell over the divider and collided with a lorry coming from the opposite direction on the other side of the road. Former US President Donald Trump was acquitted on Saturday of all the charges of inciting an insurrection at the US Capitol after a majority of Senate Republicans closed ranks and refused to punish the former president in his historic second impeachment trial. Trump denounced the proceedings as yet another phase of the greatest witch hunt in the history of country. Despite the stain of a second impeachment, Trump hinted at a possible political future, saying that our historic, patriotic and beautiful movement to make America great again has only just begun.